In this video we are going to discuss about step-up chopper. So we can see the circuit diagram of step-up chopper. It acts like a DC transformer as it will amplify the DC input voltage to higher voltage. A chopper is basically a switch, and we can see an inductance and capacitance and a diode in the circuit. When the chopper is on condition, the input voltage is directly applied across the load, so load voltage equal to input voltage. When the chopper is in off condition, the inductance is charged, it will discharge through the diode, so the output voltage will be higher than the input voltage. Now where are choppers used? It is used for switch mode power supply system. It is used in DC motors as speed controllers. It is used as DC voltage boosters, battery chargers, railway systems, electric cars, etc. Now let's see how we'll simulate a step-up DC chopper in MATLAB Simulink. So we'll get the power wave block, DC voltage source block. Here we are using 10 volt DC voltage. Now we'll get the voltage measurement block. This is used to measure input voltage as well as output voltage. We'll get the series RLC branch, which we can use as capacitance, inductance or resistance according to our convenience. Now we'll get the ideal switch. We are using chopper as ideal switch here. We can use IGBT or SCR also as chopper. Now we'll connect the freewheeling diode here. We'll get the current measurement block, which is used to measure the current, output current. Now we'll connect output as resistance. Now we are giving the gating pulse. The amplitude of gating pulse is 10 and the time period is 10 raised to minus 5 second, and we are giving the pulse width as 75% of the pulse, and we are giving amplitude of input voltage as 10 volt. So this is the inductor. Now we are giving the connections. Now we'll have to connect a scope so that we can see the output waveforms. So we are configuring the scope. We are changing the layout. We have to get 4 outputs, so we are giving us 4 port, and we are changing the layout so that we can see 4 waveforms differently. Now we are connecting the input voltage, then pulse, output voltage and current. Now we can see the circuit is ready. A DC voltage source, inductance, voltage measurement block, pulse generator block, we have chopper, we have diode, freewheeling diode, we have a current measurement block, we have resistance, it's a load resistance, we have voltage measurement. We can see the scope. We can see 4 points. The first point is pointed to gating pulse, and second one is input voltage, third one is output voltage, and the fourth one is output current. Since it is a resistive load, the output voltage and current will be same phase. So we are running the program for 1 second, and we are opening the scope after 1 second. So now we can see the waveform. We can zoom in. Now I am zooming X, so we can see the gating pulse. When the gating pulse is off, that means when the chopper is off, the output voltage will be higher than the input voltage. See, we can see that input voltage is 10 volt, as we can see in the second graph. We can see that output voltage pulse amplitude is 40 volt. So basically the circuit amplifies the input voltage. It amplifies the input 10 volt to 40 volt. and we can see the output current. Output current is same phase as input output voltage, since it is a resistive load. Hope you guys understood the simulation. Thank you.